there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn a trending dance to a remixed version of Last Christmas by Ariana Grande. This dance is trending all over social media. It's short, it's only 4/8 counts. It's not my choreography. I will tag the original creators below. We're going to break down the steps nice and slow, step by step, use a lot of repetition, and we're going to have a lot of fun. Please know that there's not going to be any music in this video. It's just going to be the step-by-step tutorial only. When you're ready to see what the dance looks like with music or practice it with music, it's in a separate video. I'm doing this a lot. Link down in the description below or up here in this card. So go check out that other video if you want to see what the dance looks like with music. Like I said, this is going to be a short dance. The tutorial is going to be about 10 to 15 minutes. I hope you will stand up and try it. That's just enough time to really get your endorphins going, feeling good. Dancing is so good for your brain and your body and your spirit, and I hope you'll stand up and try this with me at any time of the year. It doesn't have to be Christmas time. I hope you'll stand up and dance with me right now. Your first 8 count. You're going to start out jumping your feet apart, and we're going to take our hands and fists, and our arms are just going to be out here nice and strong. You're going to hit that pose on 1. She says, Merry Christmas, everybody. 1, hold 2, hold 3, hold 4. On and 5, we're going to hit our hips to the right and then to the left. So like you're pushing somebody out of the way with your hip. And as you go to the right, you're going to take your hands and fists again. Your right arm is going to come up to your right hip. Left arm is just down, and then you just switch that. So you go hit, hit. Right arm up, my palm is up, and then switch. Hit, 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 yeah? So you jump out on 1, hold 2, 3, 4. 1, hold 2, hold 3, hold 4, and 5. Hold 6. On 7, you're gonna step on your right. You're gonna take your left shoulder and kind of dip it to the front, and then you're gonna turn back to the front. Arms are gonna go up, and your left foot's gonna touch. I'm just gonna take my hands up like this. Just throw them up there. That's on 7, 8. So you go 7, 8. Step on your right foot. Left shoulder comes forward on 7, 8. I know my right from my left. So after you did and 5, hold 6, and then you're gonna go 7, 8, and on the count of 1, you're gonna let everything fall back. So your head's gonna go back, you're gonna let your arms fall, and you're gonna sit into those legs. So that's your first 8 count through that next one. We're gonna jump out on 1. 5, 6, 7, jump out on 1, hold 2, hold 3, now your hips, and 5, hold 6, 7, 8, 1. So your second 8 count, you were here on 8, this is the first beat on 1. On 2, 3, 4, you're just gonna stand up nice and slow, straighten your legs, and bring your head back to the front. So this was 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. On and 5 again, it's another bump, bump in the song. You're gonna take your legs and go left, right, and we're just stepping apart again. And then we're gonna go cross, and then back to this little out position. So you're going left, right. Again, left foot doesn't have any weight on it, and you're stepping out left, right. Yeah, that's on and 5. So you were here on 7, 8. You're gonna drop down on 1, up, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold 6 again, and on 7, 8, we're gonna just sway to the right, to the left. And you can just let your arms down here, and you're just, it's kind of like where you hit your hips, but now we're swaying them side to side, right, left. Or you could step right, left if that feels better. Choose your adventure. If you're up and you're moving, you're doing it right. So our second 8 count, we're gonna drop down on 1. 5, 6, 7, look up, 1, 2, 3, cross down, and 5, hold 6, hips, right, left. Yeah, try that again. 5, 6, 7, look up on 1, 2, 3, step out, cross, open, 6, hips, 7, 8. Very nice from the top. So we're gonna jump out on 1. 5, 6, 7, you got it. 1, hold 2, hold 3, now your hips, and 5, hold 6, step 7, up, 8, down, 1, 2, 3, cross down, and 5, hold 6, hips, 7, 8. Great job. You're doing an awesome job. Remember, it's recorded. You can pause it. You can practice those 2 8 counts. When you're ready to go on to the third, here we go. We just did our hips 7, 8. We're gonna sit back into our hips and kind of do that same motion, but now we're pushing everything to the right for a count and then sitting into it on the second count. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right first again, and I'm gonna take my right arm, it's gonna come around and then snap, and then left arm around and then snap. So as you go to the right, it's your right hip and your right arm, and then your left. That's on 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can think about it as going down, up, 5, 6, 7. Just try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. On and 5, I'm gonna go and 5. This time I'm gonna cross my left foot in front. And 5, and as you do, you're gonna take your hands up here to your chest. And 5, and then they're just gonna come apart and slide down 6, 7, 8. Or you could just let them fly out. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Or and 5, 6, 7, 8. And let them come down your body. So just the arms, you're going pull and then down, or pull and then throw them away. Feet are going right, left, 6, 7, 8. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Your feet are gonna go right, left, arms come down, 6, 7, 8. So that right, left is on and 5 again. We got a lot of and 5s going on here. So again, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, then your arms come down. Yeah, very nice. Try that. 5, 6, 7, sit into your hip. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Back to the top, nice and slow. So we're gonna jump out on 1. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, jump out on 1. Hold 2, hold 3, hold 4, and 5, hold 6, step 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, hold 6, hips 7, then we sit into it for 2 counts, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. That was a lot. We're gonna do it again. From the top, jumping out on 1. 5, 6, 7, you got it. 1, hold 2, hold 3. Now your hips, right, left, hold 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3, step out, and 5, hold 6, hips 7. Now we sit into your hips, 2, 3, 4, step, cross, 6, 7, 8. Great job. 3, 8 counts down, 1 to go. We just finished here, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna step out to your left, and as you do, your right arm's gonna slowly punch up to the ceiling or the sky if you're dancing outside. And you're gonna look over your left shoulder, and then you're just gonna reverse that. You step to the right, and your left arm goes up, look over your right shoulder. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes I get my rights and lefts confused. I hope I said that right. 5, 6, step out to your left on 1, 2, 3, 4, and take all those counts to slowly push those arms up. From here, you're gonna step left, right. Arms, your right arm's gonna go to your shoulder, left arm's gonna go out, and then we're just gonna switch it. Switch, switch. Whatever you wanna do here, it doesn't matter. You just take arms to the left, arms to the right as you step left, right. Left, right. So we go slow to the left, slow to the right, left, right, and then we're gonna go even faster, left, right. Yeah. So your footwork does 5, 6, and 7. Left, right, right. And your arms are gonna go to the left, to the right, and then you're just gonna drop your left arm and the right arm's gonna do a little flick. So it comes in and then out. Left, right. Yeah? Yeah. 5, 6, and 7. And then on and 8, you're gonna go and 8. You're gonna unwind and we're gonna finish facing your right wall here. Left shoulder is to the front, and then you're just gonna melt down. You can go down as far as you want. I'm gonna go about that far. So again, this was 5, 6, then you speed up the steps. and 7 and 8, 1 as you melt down. Yeah. Again, just the footwork. You're going 5, 6. You're going to go left, right, and then you're going to do left, right again. Left, cross, unwind, but just to here, and then melt down. Yes. Have a meltdown. Arms are going to go 5, 6, and 7, and then this right arm's just going to wrap around. It goes forward to wrap around your head here, and then it's just going to fall down. If you don't want to turn, you can just go and 7, just step on your left foot as you wrap. 8, and then just step out to your right and melt this way, or just melt straight down. And 7, 8, 1. Yeah. Again, left, left step on your left, right arm circles, step down. Yes. Or, and 7 and 8, 1. Woo, and that's it. So this last 8 count, we step slow to the left, slow to the right, then you speed it up. Left, right, melt. So it's left, right every time. Let's try it real slow. 5, so you finished here. 5, 6, slow step left on 1, 2, switch 3, 4, faster. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1. Let's go back to the top nice and slow. So you're gonna jump out on the count of 1. You can do it. 5, 6, 7, jump out on 1, hold 2, hold 3. Now your hips, and 5, hold 6, step 7, 8, down 1, 2, 3, cross down, and 5, hold 6, hip 7, sit into your hip 2, 3, cross your feet, and 5, 6, 7, slow step to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, faster. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1. It's always faster, but that was our first time trying that. So let's go just a little bit faster. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, jump out on 1, 2, 3. Now your hips, and 5, hold 6, 7, up, 8, down 1, 2, 3, cross down, and 5, hold 6, hip 7, sit into your hip 2, 3, cross your feet, and 5, 6, step out to your left on 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1. Let's go one more time, even faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, jump out on 1, 2, 3. Now your hips, and 5, hold 6, 7, up, 8, down 1, 2, 3, cross down, and 5. Now hips, 7, sit into your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and cross. 6, 7, step left. 1, 2, 3, 4, faster. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1. Yeah, great job. And that was it. You did it. Thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial. Remember, if you're wondering where the music is, it's in a separate video. It's linked down in the description below, so go check that out when you're ready to practice it with music. Also, remember, this is recorded. You can go back and watch any of those steps as many times as you need to. But in the end, it's just for fun, and if you were up and you were moving, then you're doing it right. If you enjoyed this and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. I really appreciate you standing up and dancing with me today. I know there's a lot of tutorials out there on the internet, and so you choosing to dance with me means so much. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I look forward to hopefully dancing with you again in a future tutorial. Bye, guys.